In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use margin on Robinhood from your PC. If you're interested in expanding your purchasing power when trading stocks and ETFs, understanding margin investing is an important step, but it's also crucial to know the risks involved. Let's go through this together, step by step, so you feel comfortable with every part of the process. First, let's begin by opening Robinhood on your PC. Go ahead and log in using your account credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the account option. Click on this, then select Investing from the drop-down menu that appears. Now that you're on the investing page, look for an option that says Enable Margin. When you click this, Robinhood will present you with their margin agreement. Take a moment to read through this document carefully. Understanding the terms is key before moving forward. If everything looks good and you're ready to proceed, go ahead and accept the agreement to activate margin investing on your account. Once margin investing is enabled, you'll notice a change right away on the investing page. Your buying power has now been updated to include the amount you're able to borrow using margin. This means you can potentially buy more stocks and ETFs than you could with just the cash in your account. Next, if you want to make a purchase using margin, simply select any stock or ETF from your watch list, or use the search feature to find one you're interested in. Click on Buy. On the order screen, if you're set to use margin, you'll see details indicating that margin funds are being utilized. Enter the amount you wish to buy, review your order carefully to double-check the details, and then click Buy to place your order. If at any point you want to check how much margin you're currently using, it's easy to keep track. Go back to the account section, choose margin investing from the menu, and there you'll see your margin balance. This figure represents the amount you've borrowed on margin. Before you start leveraging margin, it's essential to keep a few key points in mind. Margin allows you to buy more shares than your cash would otherwise allow. But remember, interest will accrue on any borrowed funds. This means the longer you carry a margin balance, the more you'll owe in interest payments. Also, since you're using borrowed money, any losses you incur will be magnified, so be careful not to borrow more than you're able to cover. Lastly, Robinhood, like most brokers, enforces a maintenance requirement, meaning you need to keep a certain percentage, usually between 25 and 30%, of your borrowed funds as equity in your account. If your equity drops below this threshold, you could face a margin call and be required to deposit more money or sell assets to bring your account back up to the required level. That's everything you need to know to get started with margin investing on Robinhood from your computer. Make sure to use this tool responsibly and always invest within your means. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped clarify the process for you.